Look guys, I'm not saying loud pipes don't save lives. All I'm saying is when you have an SC Project exhaust on a Yamaha MT-10 with this crossplane freaking 1000cc engine, it's like eating cheesecake on a bolt. You're getting to the end point way too fast. So today, we're gonna swap out this SC Project exhaust for a Yoshimura exhaust and see what it sounds like. Just to start things off, you have to hear the SC Project exhaust and watch your ears. I hope this doesn't ruin this microphone. Jesus Christ. Nobody's arguing that this doesn't sound good. It's just, I mean, I'm in my 30s now, you know what I'm saying? Like, maybe I can get more tone instead of just loudness. It does sound good though. All right, let's roll her in and let's get the job going. I don't think my neighbors really like know what I do, so they probably just look out the window and think I'm just some like douchebag motorcyclist just revving his motorcycle because I like hearing it. I don't really know what they think, but it has to be an interesting conversation inside the household. This one seems a little hefty. We might have a big boy on our hands. Guys, if you've never seen one of my exhaust videos, I do these all the time. Most of the time it's on motorcycles I don't own, so it'll be fun working on my own motorcycle. This is technically like part of my I'm refreshing my MT-10 series, and the SC Project sounds incredible on the MT-10, but I'm getting to the point where it's just too loud. So what I'm hoping for today is that the Yoshi sounds as good. The deep rumble, the growl, but it sounds not as loud, maybe a little more sophisticated. Who the hell knows what it's gonna sound like, but I've been installing all these Yoshis on all these bikes and they sound fantastic, and I'm like, what would it sound like on the MT-10? Which is why we're swapping out the Yoshi for the SC Project, but this is not a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this. I'm gonna unbox this, we're gonna see what it looks like. I'm gonna rock this thing on the motorcycle real quick, and then we get to go for a ride, see what it sounds like. So without further ado, my address is not on the side, let's get her unboxed. Also, this is a race series from Yoshi, so, you know. Is this a full system? Uh-oh, we might have an issue. MT-10 2022 to 2023, mine's a 2019. This video is gonna get super interesting really quickly. I wonder if the exhaust changed in that year model. We are gonna find out. Oh wait, oh, FZ10 2017, so maybe this is the one piece. One piece! That makes it work. We're gonna find out, big gulp. That's why this one was so much heavier than they normally are, because it has the extra pieces. Sick, that is a why does that one seem like it's bigger than the other Yoshi exhaust? I feel like they should all be the same, but that one definitely looks chunkier. Let's put the gloves on, let's not mess anything up. Yeah, bro, look at the size of the intake on this exhaust. Not even the outside part. Look at the freaking diameter. My goodness. Alrighty guys, so that's what comes in the box if you're rocking a 2019 MT-10 with this exhaust. So I'm gonna get the bike up on the lift, and we're gonna have the fun of taking the current exhaust off and getting this one on. With this many pieces of piping, it's probably gonna be a pain in the ass because all of this curving metal, but do not worry, I have headphones and I can play music so loud that I can't even be annoyed. So let's start a fun montage and let's see how frustrated I get on the install, and then we'll get to hear what it sounds like. Alrighty guys, we got the exhaust on here. A couple notes, since I had the SC Project on, I had an aftermarket bracket here that came with the SC Project. So I don't have the stock MT-10 bracket, which is what this needs. But I kind of got around that by, I just had this like little piece of metal bracket from something else. So I'm just tapping it in there and using that as like a little connector to my bracket. And as you guys can see, it is solidly on there. So I am not worried about that at all. Otherwise, everything was pretty stock. It pops in right here, attaches here. And oh, I am missing a clamp. So I got to order a clamp for there. But yeah, whenever that clamp comes in, I'll just take the end off, put the clamp on. This is a like solid connection. I'm not worried about that right now. I'm gonna order the clamp and I'll install it whenever it comes in. I'm not gonna make you guys wait for that because who the hell knows what's shipping right now. So I think we're good to roll this outside, see what it sounds like, and then go for a ride. Alrighty, let's get it going. All right, the moment of truth. What does it sound like? I have the little silencer insert that I could install if it's too loud. Just as a note. Why did I expect anything other than that? Now, you guys are gonna be able to hear better than me because I can do a side-by-side, but does that sound deeper to y'all? How is that? I thought SC Project was supposed to be like the loudest of the loud, but like that's like a whole different bike sound. I'm gonna let it warm up. Dude, this bike sounded like an old muscle car beforehand, but now it, like if you close your eyes, like I see like a really old Camaro or old Mustang thing. I don't understand how that's a thing. What? Total honesty, I thought this was gonna be one of those videos where it wasn't that different. That is way different. Am I just hearing that? Can we do a side-by-side like SC Project? And now Yoshi? I feel like it's way different, but okay, I'm gonna get my gear on and we're gonna go for a ride and hear it on the road. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, my friends, there you have it. Based on my ears,
somehow, I am honestly flabbergasted is the only word I know at how you can take and already, like, any exhaust on the MT-10 is going to sound good. Let's all just be clear with that. But somehow that Yoshi gives it a deep, like, grumble. Like, I've never had this bike sound so much like an old muscle car, and I literally could not love that any more than I currently do. I don't even know how that's a thing. In my head, I have always thought that SC Project was the super, if you want the loudest exhaust, get an SC Project. And I don't even think the SC Project is as loud or as deep as that, because it's like, it's not about having a loud motorcycle, right? It's about having a good sounding motorcycle. And the deepness that this thing gives, the exhaust, is just freaking awesome. If you guys have a 2019 MT-10 or in this range, highly recommend that. This bike has never sounded so good. If you guys want to grab the exhaust, I'll have a link in the description down below. If you guys got to this point in the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle videos, first rides, exhaust installs, helmet reviews. We do it all. I'm Chaseontwowheels, and I will see you guys on the next one. I'm going to go ride this thing around some more because, oh my god, eargasm! Also, I know some of you guys are going to mention this in the comments, so I'm going to go ahead and answer it before you do. I know a lot of you guys that have been watching all of my videos on my MT-10 are going to be saying, Chase, you just got your ECU tuned at Two Wheel Dyno Works. Now you're going to have to send it back once you swap the exhaust out. I have to admit something. I knew that this exhaust was here and I was going to get it installed, so I went ahead, when I sent off my ECU, I told Two Wheel Dyno Works that that was the exhaust on the motorcycle. So the ECU is actually tuned correctly now, not for the SC Project like it was on the first ride. And I can attest, somehow the bike is even smoother than it was on the first ride. If you guys haven't watched that video, go watch it. But this bike, throttle wise, feels absolutely dialed right now. I am loving every second of this MT-10 saga because now the ECU's flashed, the bike is feeling great, it's got the oil change, it's got the chain lubed, it has an amazing sounding exhaust, and this bike is getting better and better every freaking day. I don't know what to do. I mean, just enjoy it, I guess, is the answer to that question.